In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for marketing campaign planning. Whether you're orchestrating a small social media push or a comprehensive multi-channel strategy, Monday.com is a powerhouse tool to help keep your projects organized and on track. Now let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, start by navigating to your Monday.com workspace and locate the option labeled New Project. This is going to be the jumping off point for crafting your campaign plan. After clicking on New Project, it's important to select the main workspace. Choosing this will ensure that your project remains the central hub for all ongoing marketing tasks, making it easier to coordinate efforts as your team grows. With the main workspace open, the next step is to add a new workspace dedicated specifically to your marketing efforts. Look for the option that says Add Workspace and give it a click. This is where your campaign comes to life. You'll want to choose an intuitive name that encapsulates your project, something straightforward like Marketing Campaign Planner. This clarity is crucial not only for yourself, but also for any team members who will be collaborating with you on this campaign. Once your new workspace is in place, it's time to break things down even further by creating individual tasks. Each task represents a piece of the bigger puzzle. Name these tasks with precision, making them as descriptive as possible to avoid any confusion later. For instance, design social media graphics or draft email content. With your tasks set up, it's time to assign them to those responsible. On Monday.com, assigning a member to a task is simple. Just click to reveal the member options and select the right person for the job. This not only helps in tracking who is doing what, but also ensures accountability. Keeping track of progress is essential, and that's where updating the status of each task comes in. Head over to the status column and click to update the task's progress, whether it's just started, in progress, or completed. These status updates offer a snapshot of how your campaign is advancing, simplifying the process of monitoring and managing tasks. Next, remember to set deadlines by clicking on the date column. Assign deadlines to your tasks to keep your team on track and to align with your campaign timeline. Deadlines are integral to maintaining momentum and ensuring timely completion. Additionally, Monday.com allows you to attach files directly to your tasks. Great for storing documents, images, and other assets that are vital to your campaign. Take advantage of this feature to keep all relevant materials accessible and organized. Lastly, for a visual representation of your campaign schedule, don't forget to check out the timeline view. This opens up a clear visual layout of your tasks and deadlines across a calendar, helping you spot overlaps or gaps in your plan. If you need additional notes or descriptions attached to your tasks, consider adding another text column to capture those details. And that's a comprehensive overview of how to wield Monday.com for effective marketing campaign planning. By following these steps, you are positioning your marketing initiatives for streamlined execution and success.